Hot Dog City.
Hot Dog City.
Hot Dog City.
Hot Dog City.
All right. I have to show you how you can go from something that sounds like this. Look at the downtown. The buildings are made of meat. To this.
Look at the downtown. The buildings are made of meat. Look at the filthy ground. The people all in the street. But they're not people. They're actually probably beef.
Be made up of kielbasa, which is pork.
Suno's new cover song feature can take you from Voice Memo to hit Broadway musical in less than a minute. Now, if you've never heard of Suno, they're a music creation app that is powered by artificial intelligence. And they have a new feature, which is in beta. It's called Cover Song. Primarily, you use the feature to style transfer songs that already exist on the website. But here's the real pro tip, my fellow humans. It also works with original uploaded audio. First thing you want to do is create a Suno account. Once that's done, head over to Create or Library. Both sections have an option that says Upload Audio. Choose a file from your computer, and as long as it's 60 seconds or less, you're golden. You can also record directly from your microphone on your laptop or your cell phone. And in case it escaped you, you do not have to be a classically trained musician, nor do you have to be a pitch-perfect singer. Get over the cringe, the embarrassment, get your idea into the machine, because Suno will transform this, I guess they could be made up of kielbasa, which is pork, into this.
But sometimes bits of beef and veal, whatever, shut up, dog!
Okay, a few more things. Once your sample is uploaded, click the 3 dots, then hit create, and oh, looky there, glory be, it is the cover song beta. That's the juicy little option. You're gonna wanna smack it, and you should see your track loaded as the cover sample. I wanna point out, you don't have to sing. In fact, you can transform pots and pans banging into rich, detailed percussion, or humming into a sick electric guitar solo. But if you do sing or rap, it will auto-transcribe lyrics for you. This is the part where I think you want to pay a little bit more attention. It is very helpful to take a second and clean things up. If you look at my example here, I went in and I gave more detail to every section of the song. I used brackets to steer the style generation of the song. I said I wanted a massive choir intro up top. I wanted the tempo to pick up with the plucky verse. An ounce of nudging goes a long way when generating AI music. This part is a little fast and loose. Same with the style of music prompt. Just experiment and have fun. I will say that my very first generation, I just wrote hit Broadway musical, and it got me to the good Giddy place so fast. It's why I'm sharing all of this with you right now. It was transformative. It's an amazing tool. It's in beta, but as I like to say, hold on to your hats, because it's only getting beta from here, baby. And I'll see you in the grilled streets.